So, welcome to my home. It's Karie-Lee's Fun House. I have put up these acrylic sheets on my wall. They're slightly reflective. It also is kind of wavy. So, some places I look fat, some places I look really skinny. But anyway, it's the best we can do under the circumstances. There is a spot in steam heat that I omitted when I was explaining the dance in the breakdown. Consistently, I left it out of the breakdown every time I did it, which was 2 or 3 times in a row. So I'm going to record this part and then awkwardly stick it into the breakdown whenever the step comes up, rather than re-record the entire thing, because the first time I recorded it was much better conditions in a dance studio before the world got locked up. I did it properly when I did the entire dance all the way through with the music in tempo. The step is in there, but then when I went back and just talked through it, I blanked on this step. We are actually really close to the ending. We just have one more tricky thing that we do with our feet, and I edited this down so it's a little shorter. So for us, we are nearing the end. So we're coming out of the wacky run into the puddle. Once you do that, you're going to take this left shoulder and pulse it up twice. 1, 2, and then look around. Anywhere you want, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then on 8, you come up back to the wet hands position that we did earlier. We're also going to knock our knees together like we did before, but no head roll. We're going to do stick our heel out in a pattern and use our hat. So we're going to, you're at neutral, so you could step on either foot. You're going to step onto your right foot. 1, 2, on 3, put your right heel out and tip your hat to the left, and you kind of peek over to the left a little bit. Put your hat back on and step on your right foot on 4. Then step on your left foot and knock your knees. 5, 6, left heel, 7, and the hat goes this way. Back together, 8, and right, left, peek, step, left, right, peek, step, then up, click, 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 head, 6, 7, 8. So I kept going straight from the shoulder to the head snaps, and you have to get this knock knee step into the middle of it. Again, as before, whenever you're knocking your knees and your hands are supposed to be staying here, I try to anchor my arms into my rib cage. In a way, I'm usually telling you to have your arms away from your sides, but this helps keep your hands from going up and down. You'll notice when you try to knock your knees, your hands want to move with them. So hold them still, and the foot pattern starts right, left, heel, right, left, right, heel, left, right, left, heel, right, left, right, heel, step, and up. So just remember, you step on your right foot first, and your right heel is the first one that goes out on count 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. Head. Also, this step would, if I had room, there's a corner, it does travel slightly to the right. So, sorry for leaving that out, and the awkwardness it's going to cause when I pop that into your video, but we'll get there. Straight on 8. Then your head is going to snap to the side, very in a snappy way, come around towards the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You prep by bringing your right foot and your right shoulder forward and turn around over your right shoulder. 7, 8. So then you're going to do this kind of funny scooty walk. This one's more like Charlie Chaplin, I think. Ordinarily, on a big stage, you'd be going straight up stage. We have to take it to our right or towards stage left. The next step is really going to travel that way, so you need to get all the space you can by taking this Charlie Chaplin step to your right. So that's for 7 counts. On 8, you want to step on your right foot and be dragging your left toe behind. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to step on your left foot and drag your right toe, and then step right, drag, and flip around so you're facing this way, and now you're dragging your heel, drag your heel again. Then you're going to flip around on your right foot and drag your toe, toe, and heel, heel. And that can be frustrating until you get it. Once you get the trick of flipping one way and then the other, it's also off the phrase because he starts this on 8. So this is 1, 2, 3, flip 4. 1, 2, 3, flip 4, drag. You are not, just so you know, you're not rotating all around on those flips. It's not a complete turn, it's always a half turn. So you step on your right foot, left foot, just make a half turn, left shoulder back, and now you're dragging your heels. When you step on your right foot, it's left shoulder forward, drag. So it's only a half turn every time. And you're always going in this direction, and it's sort of intuitive. You know, this way I'm dragging my toes, this way I'm backing up, so I'm dragging my heels. Okay, so this counts one more time. And the music is going, they told me to shovel more coal in the boiler. So you do this whole sequence through 3 times. So we've gone here, we've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Scoot that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Crossover 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Boiler. They told me to shovel more coal in the boiler. Then, and as you notice that whole time, you're doing the thing which I told you never do in class. You keep your arms sort of at your sides, but they're just flying loose and easy. So after you've done that sequence 3 times, you get down on your knees. They told me to take your hat off, and it's like you're using your hat to pull yourself along. Shovel more coal in, so it's too fast and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're just going to step up. That don't do no good. Your hat pops. There's a popping sound on the music, and you just go wild and collapse over. Right back where you started from. Hat on your head, arms hanging over. Okay, let's see if I can do that section correctly. So let's start from, we just finished the jazz squares with the tricky thing with the hat. We face side. There's a popping noise, hat goes up, down. Start on your left foot, holding the eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump 1, touch 2, turn 3, wrap 4. My weight is back on my right foot. And I go left, right, left, pull. Then shoulder, shoulder, look around. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pattern starts right, left, heel, right, left, right, heel, left, right, left, heel, right, left, right, heel, step, and up. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, shoulder 6, turn 7, 8. Then like a Charlie Chaplin, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, crossover 8. Then shovel more coal in the boiler. They told me to shovel more coal in the boiler. Heel, heel. So you hand on the heels, down on your knees. They told me to shovel more coal in the slow. Together, That don't do no good. Pop down. Crazy arms. Collapse. And that's it. We did it. Fabulous.